and it's still Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your girl Anaka. But basically, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I got this super easy brown hair color. All I used was bleach and developer, but I just wanted to change, you guys. I just wanted to change. Summer's coming. I'll have like 1,000,001 black hair, and I was like, why not just switch it up, you know? And I've had this weave for like, I would say a year. Yeah, it's a year or more. And I decided to just, you know, do something with it. And I think I did a good job, even though I have no sense sometimes and I've been doing some stupid ass shit. But I got the hair from Tino's place. She's a Nigerian hairbender and I absolutely love her. Her hair is super affordable and it's actually good quality, because after all the stress I put this hair through, do you see it's still super healthy? This dark room is not doing this justice. Your girl has to step up her lights, but in the meantime, we're gonna manage this, okay? But basically, this is a 6x6, you guys, and I would say I am living my absolute best life. I've had this install for wow, all professional. I've had this in for I had it overnight. And basically I used the new GOT2B spray, and this is my absolute, I'm gonna go stock up on this because I know people have been saying it's getting sold out everywhere and I'm not about to lose it. No, I'm not about to lose it, but this is amazing. It's way better. It dries faster. It doesn't leave the white cast that the yellow bottle leaves, and it smells way better, to be honest. I was smelling it. Yes, I'm weird, I smell shit. I think it's also cheaper. I think it's like probably, when I had gotten it, it was like $5 or something. And I've had this on since yesterday and it's still it's still on, girl. Like, it ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna link everything I used and Tina's hair page down in the description box below. So this is the unit I'm going to color. I've had it for a year and you can see it looks amazing even though I've had it for a year. You're gonna need your bleach, you're gonna need your developer, and you're gonna need foil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm sectioning the part where I want the lightest, and that's why I'm gonna bleach first while I bleach the rest of the hair. And then you're gonna move on to mixing your bleach and developer. That's what I had. That's the consistency I had. Put the foil underneath, and that's where you're gonna apply the bleach. Depending on how you want it, you know, apply it how you want it. I didn't want it too high, but you're gonna see the result anyways. I don't want it too high, but I wanted it high enough, if that made any sense. And you're gonna wrap this and leave it while you work on the rest of the hair. So this is gonna be the lightest part of the wig, which is what I wanted. I know you're wondering why I have only one glove on, but hear me out. I got tired of the gloves because they were just messing up. Like, it was just too much for me. I couldn't find the regular gloves, so I ended up taking them off. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting the bleach on random spots in the hair, like random strands. You just pick up as much hair as you want, random strands, put the bleach, and move on to the next place. You don't have to be too perfect with it, but you don't want it to be too close to each other, if that makes any sense. And depending on how much highlights you want in your hair, that's how much strand you're gonna pick up. Just pick random spots, random strands, put on the bleach, and move on to the next one. It's really simple. You don't have to be too perfect with it. You just have to make sure it's not too close to each other, because you want that highlight effect, like I said. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this around the hair, and I will get back to you when I'm done. Don't do this with your hands, you guys. I know I did it with my hands, but if I had gloves, the right gloves, I wouldn't. So this can actually burn your fingers, but I was good. I didn't burn myself because growing up Nigerian I've been relaxing hair with my hands, so I was good. But don't do this without gloves. So do the same exact thing you did before on the top, but just make sure that you're blending the how do I put it? You're blending the bleach. You're not making the lines too harsh because you don't want it to look like you just have random streaks in your hair, right? So you can always use the brush to achieve this by like brushing it upwards, but I use my hand because I have zero chill, and like I said, I don't have sense. Yeah, so do that around the hair, and this is the hard portion of the coloring, guys. After this, it's basically slapping on the developer and you're done. So this is how it's looking. Like I said, if you want more highlights, you can always add more, but this is how I wanted it. And I left it for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the color I got. Bear in mind that when you put the developer on and you leave it, it's going to still lighten as well. So I found gloves, you guys. I feel so stupid. And now I'm just putting the 40 volume developer all around the hair, just saturating it. You don't have to be too perfect with this step. Like I said, I'm slapping it on, making sure it's very saturated. And I'm just gonna do that all around the hair. And that's how I got the brown color. It was so easy, like I said, super easy. I left it overnight, and I'm gonna show you guys the final results. And as you can see, the hair is fully saturated with the developer, you guys. You have to make sure you cover every strand. And I'm gonna leave it in a bag overnight, and in the morning I washed it with the neutralizing shampoo and shimmer lights, and this is the color I got. I know, so pretty. Do you see this, guys? It's so cute. It's so cute. And best part is you don't have to worry about messing up because there's no one way to do it. Like, you just have to like put the bleach and developer on the hair, and that's what you get. So I put some curls in it because I was going to install this. And if you want to see how I installed it with the new GOT2B spray, I already have a video on my channel, so you can just watch that after this, because you know. And yeah, that was it. Use this opportunity to thank everyone, absolutely everyone, for supporting me. You guys are honestly amazing. I've always wanted to do this for a long time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, like and subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Help me grow so I can keep making more videos for you guys, because I know you guys want to see my face. I know you guys want to have, I know you love me. I know you want to have my baby. So why don't you just subscribe right now? I'm waiting. Okay, it's just right here or here, man, somewhere. Just subscribe, you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I love you all. Please stay safe.